All right, Mr. Benjamin.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about your neuropathy. When you first came in, what was it doing to you?
I first came in on was tightness in my feet, a little bit of pain, and mostly the nerve was bothering me.
How was it affecting your bowling?
It affected my bowling a little bit out because I was losing my balance on my right side.
How about your work?
My work, constantly, all day long, I was on my feet, and I felt a tightness and a little pain. But now, it's a whole lot different.
We're 6 weeks into this, and what are you noticing now?
I'm noticing that I don't have the pain. I have strength in my arm, better strength in my legs, and very little effect on my feet.
Fantastic. Well, we couldn't be more excited.
Amazing. You've been kicking butt doing all the active care, and it shows.
Okay.
Good job. So what would you say to somebody that was not sure if they wanted to get better?
I would tell them take it.
Take it.
The procedure is not hard, easy to go through. Just take patience.